friends and I are so glad you can join us. Welcome to the island of Sodor. I'm Thomas. To watch Calling All Engines, choose Play Movie. If you'd like to take the express directly to your favorite parts of the movie, choose Story Stops. Finally, you can join Cranky at Brendam Docks for the many great fun and games on this DVD. Select your favorite part of Calling All Engines, or choose Play All to watch the whole movie. Hi, I'm Cranky. Welcome to Brendam Docks. I'm unloading all of the fun and games Calling All Engines has for you to enjoy. If you'd like to help fix the island of Sodor after the hurricane, just like the engines did in the movie, you can choose Calling All Engines, the game. Would you like to find out what happens when Diesel 10 causes mischief or... Oh, hi there.
Hello, I'm Sir Topham Hatt. It's time to learn about all of my really useful and important engines. Which Thomas and Friends characters would you like to know more about? Look at the schedule and select your favorite ones.
Here are some sneak peeks of other DVD titles. If you'd like to visit the official Thomas and Friends website, insert this DVD into your computer DVD ROM drive. You may need a grown-up to help you.